Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to the channel. So today let's talk about how we can generate some extra income with Facebook. Now, you heard that right. Facebook, yes, the popular website where you go to watch cat videos. You can actually use that website to generate money. A lot of people don't know that, and I'll show you proof in a second. I'm able to do it consistently. I've been doing it for over a year now with a little break in between, but I'm back on it and it's been as good as it's ever been. So I'm going to show you that in this video. What's going on? My name is Daniel. I'm a digital nomad. I've been traveling full time for the last 1 year, and now I'm in Mexico City, and I show people how they can use non-conventional means to generate extra income so they can focus on other things, whether that's traveling, spending time with family, or just simply having some extra cash in their pocket. Facebook. So what exactly is this platform that I'm talking about? So this platform that I'm talking about is called the Facebook Commerce Manager. Facebook Commerce. Think about Amazon, think about eBay, think about Etsy. Now think about Facebook Commerce. If you've ever shopped on Facebook Marketplace or maybe Facebook Shops on your Instagram app, you've probably seen this before, but you've probably never seen what it looks like on the back end. So in the last couple of weeks, last 3 weeks, I've generated about $1,200 on this platform without even doing a thing. I probably spend maybe 1 to 2 hours a week on this platform. I don't spend any time at all because I've got more important things to do. And maybe if I'd spend more time, maybe I would be making even more money. But I'm going to show you the process that I use, how I'm able to do this, how I find products, what I do to list those products, and how I semi-automate entirely the whole thing. So let's dive right into it. So what you're seeing right here is my Facebook commerce dashboard. In the last couple of weeks, I've generated $1,189, almost $1,200 with 85 units sold at $15 average purchase value. As you can see, 73 buyers. And this is how I'm getting discovered right here. I can go on and on about how this whole thing works. Facebook Marketplace in the last let's go to overview. So in the last 28 days, I've gotten 16,000 visitors, almost 17,000 visitors to my store, 19,000 product page views, 76 purchases. It's not the greatest, the conversion rate on Facebook Commerce, but hey, I'm not paying for any of this traffic, so I'm not complaining. So right now, this is what it looks like. Non-followers, 16,000, followers 0, blah, 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 blah. So how do I get my product? How do I find products to list on this platform? So there's two things involved here. You can either use the popular e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or you can just, go source products yourself. Maybe you buy them in bulk, but I would not recommend that. So the best way that I want to do, because we want to make sure we automate this as much as possible. We don't want to be involved too much so we can have time to do other things. So if you come on Amazon here, of course, we know Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the entire world. So they have a huge catalog of products that you can select from. So the first thing you want to do is to come to Amazon and decide on what niche you want to sell in. In order to get sales on Facebook, I always recommend you sell with seasonal products because that way you know for a fact that people are going to purchase. But as you import more products to your store, Facebook algorithm is going to figure out exactly what people are interested in and it's going to promote that to them. So now that we've done that, another thing we want to do is to download this software called FBMFox.com. Now, FBMFox is a software that I use to automate all of my processes when it comes to Facebook Marketplace drop shipping. So right now, this is my dashboard, and in the last 30 days, you can see, all of the numbers that I've, generated. All of these numbers is synchronized with my Facebook, so it's pulling data directly from Facebook. So as you can see right here, some of the numbers may not be accurate, but net revenue 3,388. It's not showing everything inside of Facebook because there's a marketplace component to it, which if I can get into it, it's gonna be a long video. But I just want to show you how you do that. So you want to go on Amazon.com, select the products that you want to sell, the niche that you want to sell in. And the first thing you want to do is download the Chrome extension here. It's called FBMFox Chrome extension. Once you sign in, and if you're on the product page, you will see on the bottom right hand corner of the screen right here, it says upload 39 products. So the first FBMFox software will allow you to bulk upload products from Amazon. So you can select 1,000 products into FBMFox, and when you come into the software here, into the bulk uploader, you can automatically just upload all of these products. So right now I have 96 products in queue, meaning I can upload all of these 96 products to Facebook. So I don't have to be doing it one after the other. So Facebook is going to help me pull the description, the pricing, and everything. I will set my profit margin, and everything is just done hands off. So the software is going to pull everything into Facebook, and Facebook is going to show my catalog right here. So in my catalog, I have about 908 items in my catalog. All of these items, none of them I did manually. The software did everything for me. So now that I have all of this 908, Facebook is going to start pushing the products. It's going to, start pushing it to people via the Facebook Marketplace, and people also search for shops manually as well. So when that happens, when sales come in, orders are going to come in just like this. So what you see right here are the orders that I have. So right now I have about 5 pending orders, and 5 orders waiting to be shipped and 1 pending order. And if you want to see what my payouts look like, this is exactly what my payouts look like. I get paid such as this: $106, $86. So once orders come in, you can copy those addresses that people give you. You go and purchase the orders on Amazon, and Amazon sends it directly to the customer. So you don't have to see the product, you don't have to touch it, and you don't have to do any sort of fulfillment on it. So that is exactly how you can start generating income with Facebook. And if you want me to make more videos on this, I can make that, but that is not the focus of this video. It's to just show you that you can actually start generating some income here. And you might be wondering, well, what is the profit margin on this right here? Well, the profit margin that I try to aim for would be anywhere between 30 and 40% profit margin. And on some products I make more profit, I make 40 to 45%, but right now it is anywhere from 30 to 35%. So that is exactly how it works, and you can see my ratings and reviews, and this is just better than Facebook Marketplace. Maybe you've seen some of the videos I made on my old channel about Facebook Marketplace in the past. This is way better than Facebook Marketplace. It is miles and miles and miles and miles better than Facebook Marketplace, because everything right now can be automated, and you can just go ahead and start generating profit today. So this is how it works. Facebook Commerce Manager. This is how you can start generating income with Facebook. If you're scrolling on Facebook right now, I want you to pause. I want you to go look at Facebook Commerce Manager, go through the steps I've mentioned here. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment box, and I will be sure to answer them. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.